guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kate. If this is your first time watching, welcome. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe down below. As you can tell from the title, yes, we are packing up all my makeup today. But don't worry, we're not like packing it away to like put it away. If you've been with me for a while now, you would know that I filmed a vlog a while ago that says like, oh, seeing our new house for the first time or whatever. So it is finally time where we're like trying to pack everything and get ready to move there, and it's come to the point where I kind of need to pack my desk up with my makeup. If you saw my makeup collection, which I can add below too, you would see all my makeup that I have, and I have to put it all in this Zuka traveling box, which I think I might be able to do, but I do think it's going to be hard. So with the Zuka bags, this is the Zuka flight bag, I think, that one. And then I have all these little bags here. I don't know how many there are. Let's do my palettes first. So I'm just going to stack all my palettes up on my desk, and then we'll see what we need to do from there. All the eyeshadow is out of one desk, so I don't know, I'm trying to think. I don't have like a plan of how many categories, yeah, that's the word, categories I want in each thing, which I probably should have, but I want to keep everything together so I know where it's at. So I mean, let's just start putting it all in one of the bags. Okay, wait, I have an idea. So I have this little container right here. What I'm gonna do is put all like my big palettes, like my Morphes and all that stuff in here, because it's not gonna all fit in here. And I need to like keep it all together. And I don't like having my palettes just loose out in a bag or something, because I'm always like so worried about something hitting it and the palette breaking. So I need to make sure they're careful. Okay, box 2 is done. Is that all the way? So we have this eyeshadow box and oh gosh, all done. Put it there. So I'm gonna try to put all my lipsticks in one of the smaller things, which, if I could, I would like to try and have it all separated in the lipsticks, but I don't think that's possible, so I don't have a ton of things separated, so we're just gonna dump it in here. Done with lips. Going on to, let's do like contouring stuff and setting powder. Let's do all the like highlighters, and yeah, let's do highlighters and then see what we have room for. Let's do blushes too. Okay, yeah, and I think that's all the highlighters. And then moving on to, oh, I don't think I have enough bags. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I'm actually also going to go back with one of my eyeshadow boxes and add all my glitters. So I have all these NYX like loose glitters and stuff, and I'm just gonna throw them in with the eyeshadow box because I'll save a lot of room there. Cool. And And then next box, let's do all my like concealers, primers, and then powders. We have one more bag, so hopefully I can get the rest of it in here. We're gonna do all the eyes. Okay, so my mom is back and she wants to take one of the desks, so I'm gonna have to push everything off the desk onto this desk and then move the desk out. Okay, so now that we have that done, finish with the makeup. So I have all these lashes in the back. Put all my lashes in this little bag. There, I need like a bag for all my tools. Okay, we'll use the benefit bag and put all my like random tools and like this type stuff. We are making progress. Ooh, this tweezers. Keep that with me. I have a lot of stuff. Okay. Then I think I'm gonna put all my brushes in the Zoeva bag they came in. Or I don't know if they came in this actually. I'm like at the point where I have so much stuff packed, but I also have so much stuff left on my table that I don't know where to put it. So it's a little stressful here. I guess we can start packing the Zuka bag and that might clear some space out. So I need to get, what I like doing is finding like the heaviest bag as the base of it and then stacking the lighter ones on top. And then I'm gonna pack some more stuff and then just declutter a little and clean and then I'll come right back. So I think we have most of my makeup packed up. We have everything in this Zuka bag just ready to zip up, and then the eyeshadow boxes. And then I have my other daily stuff in the bathroom and then the brushes. I apologize, this was not like, oh, this is exactly what I'm packing, all that stuff. It is pretty stressful, if I have to say myself. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing me struggle to pack all my makeup up and all this stuff. I still have a long ways to go until I'm done packing, but I think it is best to end here. You guys saw me get some of my makeup ready to go, so make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate and I will see you guys next time. Bye.